Dear students, complex numbers, exercise 1B, very short answer questions. Second problem, write the conjugate of the following complex numbers. First one, 3 plus 4i. Second problem, 15 plus 3i minus 4 minus 20i. Third problem, 2 plus 5i minus 4 plus 6i. Fourth problem, 5i by 7 plus I. Here, first problem. What is the first problem? 3 plus 4i. We have to write the conjugate of the complex number. So, here given, let a plus ib is a complex number, then a minus ib is a conjugate of complex number. So we have to write 3 plus 4i conjugate. What is conjugate of 3 plus 4i? 3 minus 4i. 3 plus 4i conjugate 3 minus 4i. Why? Because a plus ib is a complex number, then conjugate a minus ib. Second problem, you write second problem. That is 15 plus 3i minus of 4 minus 20i. It can be written as 15 plus 3i minus 4 minus into minus plus 20i. This is implies 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4, 11 plus 3i plus 20i, 23i. So 11 plus 23i conjugate 11 minus 23i. First you have to simplify the given complex number and you take a standard form of complex number, then you have to write the conjugate of complex number. This is the process. Next, third problem. You see third problem. What is third problem here? Third problem, 2 plus 5i minus 4 plus 6i. First we have to multiply. 2 into minus 4 plus 6i plus 5i into minus 4 plus 6i. So 2 into minus 4 minus 8 plus 12i 5i into minus 4 minus 20i plus 5 into 6 30i square. We know that iota square is equal to minus 1. So what is minus 8? 12i minus 20i minus 8i plus 30 into I square is minus 1. Then you have to write minus 8, 8i minus 30 equal to minus 8 minus 30 minus 38 plus 8i. Then you have to write the conjugate of this complex number. So what is that? Minus 38 plus 8i minus 8i. Sorry, it is minus 8i. So minus 38 minus 8i conjugate complex number is, what is that? Minus 38 plus 8i. Minus 38 plus 8i. Next, here fourth problem, 5i by 7 plus I. Denominator is complex number, so 7 plus I conjugate. You take 7 plus I conjugate 7 minus I. Then you have to multiply and divide with 7 minus I. So what we will have? Say 5I by 7 plus I into 7 minus I by 7 minus I. This is implies 5I of 7 minus I by 7 plus I into 7 minus I. Denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is that? A square minus b square. Algebraic formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then we have to write 5y into 7, 35y. 5y into minus I. So 5 minus 5I square by denominator 7 square minus I square. We know that iota square is equal to what? Iota square is equal to minus 1. Then you have to write 35y plus 5 35y minus 5 into minus 1. 7 square 49 minus of minus 1 equal to 35y plus 5 by 49 minus into minus plus 1 50. Then you have to write, this is implies 5 by 50 plus 35y by 50. So 5 10 ja 5 7 ja 5 10 ja. What we will have? 1 plus 7i by 10. Then conjugate of 1 plus 7i by 10 is 1 minus 7i by 10. This is the conjugate of 5i by 7 plus I complex number. Dear students, here complex numbers exercise 1b. Third problem, simplify I square plus I power 4 plus I power 6 plus so on plus 2n plus 1 terms. What is the first problem here? 1 square plus I power 4 plus I power 6 plus so on plus 2n plus 1 terms. Here you observe, we know the formula I square is equal to what? Minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. Then we have to write I square plus I power 4 plus I power 6 plus so on plus 2n plus 1 terms. This is implies, this is I square minus 1 plus I power 4 minus 1 whole square plus I power 6 minus 1 whole cube plus so on plus 2n plus 1 terms. Here you observe, this is minus 1, this is minus 1 whole square is plus 1, minus 1 whole cube minus 1 plus so on 2n terms means this is lastly minus 1, odd number of terms. So plus 1 minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, lastly minus 1 is there. So I square plus I power 4 plus I power 6 plus so on plus 2n plus 1 terms, value is minus 1. This is the first one. Here second problem, given that Second problem. What is second problem? I power 18 minus 3I power 7 plus I square of 1 plus I power 4 into minus I whole power 26. So, here I power 18 means I square whole power 9. 2 into 9, 18. Minus 3 into I power 7 means I square whole cube into I. This is 2, 3 is 6, I power 6 into I plus I square. I square value minus 1 into 1 plus I power 4 minus 1 whole square into minus I whole power 26, that is minus 1 whole power 26 into I power 26. Okay, all of you. This is implies I square minus 1 iota square I square is equal to minus 1. So, minus 1 whole power 9 minus 3 into minus 1 whole power 3 into I plus minus 1 into 1 plus minus 1 whole square is plus 1. This is minus 1 whole power 26. That means minus 1 whole power even number is plus 1 I square whole power 30. So this is implies minus 1 whole power 9. 9 is the odd number. So minus 1 whole power 9 is 1. So this one minus 3 into minus 1 whole cube. 3 is the odd number. So this value minus 1 into I plus minus 1 into 1 plus 1 2 into 1 into I square minus 1 whole power 13. This value minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3I. This is minus 1. This is plus minus 1 into this value minus 1 into 2. So minus 1 plus 3I minus into minus plus 2. This is implies minus 1 plus 2 1 plus 3I. So what is the value of this one? This is I power 18 minus 3I power 7 plus I square of 1 plus I power 4 of minus I whole power 26 equal to 1 plus 3I. This is the simplification. Here complex numbers, fourth problem, exercise 1b, fourth problem. Find a square root for the following complex numbers. First one 7 plus 24i, second one minus 8 minus 6i, third one 3 plus 4i, fourth one minus 4 plus I 8 root 3. So suppose a plus ib is there. A plus ib is there. What is the first problem? You have to write it. First problem 7 plus 24, right? You compare with a plus ib. So a is equal to what? 7. B is equal to what? 24. Then a plus ib square root is equal to plus or minus root over root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into square over root a square plus b square minus a by 2. This is the formula for finding a square root. First we have to find root a square plus b square. is equal to root over a square 7 square plus b square 24 whole square equal to root over 49 plus 24 ja 24 ja. So 24 into 24 4 4 ja 16 1 4 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 8 plus 1 96. Next 2 4 ja 8 2 2 ja 4 2 4 ja 8. Okay, this one 6 17 1 576 equal to root over 9 plus 6 15 1. So 4 plus 1 5 2 1 625. Root 625 is equal to what? 25. So a plus ib, square root of a plus ib is equal to this one plus or minus root over square root of a square plus b square value what? 25. 25 plus a is equal to 7 by 2 plus I into root over 25 minus 7 by 2. This is equal to plus or minus 25 plus 7 32 by 2 plus I into root over 25 minus 7 18 by 2 2 9 ja 2 16 ja. So what we can written as root over a plus ib is equal to plus or minus, so root 16 plus I into root 9. So root a plus ib means what? 7 plus 24i equal to plus or minus 4 plus 3i, root 9 value 3i. This is the square root of root 7 plus 24i equal to plus or minus 4 plus 3i. Okay, all of you. Here second problem, minus 8 minus 6i, minus 8 minus 6i. So here you compare with a plus ib. So you compare with a plus ib. A is equal to minus 8 and b is equal to minus 6, which is less than 0. Root over a plus ib is equal to what? This is square root of a square, root a square plus b square plus a by 2 minus I into square root of a square root a square plus b square minus a by 2 when b less than 0. When b less than 0. So here b is minus 6 less than 0. Then you have to use this formula. So root over a plus ib means root over minus 8 minus 6i equal to plus or minus root over. So first you have to find the value of root a square plus b square. Root a square plus b square is equal to root over minus 8 whole square plus minus 6 whole square equal to root over 64 plus 36 equal to root 100 equal to 10. So root over 8 minus 6i equal to plus or minus root over root a square plus b square is equal to what? 10 plus a is equal to what? Minus 8 by 2 minus I into root over root a square plus b square is equal to 10 minus a minus of minus 8 by 2. Here this is equal to plus or minus root over 10 plus 10 minus 8 2 by 2 minus I into root over 10 plus 8 18 by 2. 2 9 ja 2 2 cancel. Then what we have to write is root over minus 8 minus 6i equal to plus or minus this value root over 1 minus I into root over 9 3. So you have to write plus or minus of 1 minus 3i. This is the square root of minus 8 minus 6i is equal to plus or minus 1 minus 3i. 1 minus 3i. Here third problem 3 plus 4i. Square root of 3 plus 4i. 3 plus 4i is equal to a plus bi. A is equal to what? 3. B is equal to 4. So root over a plus bi or ib is equal to plus or minus root over root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into root over root a square plus b square minus a by 2 when b greater than 0. B greater than 0. First you have to find root a square plus b square. Root a square plus b square is equal to root over 3 square plus 4 square. So 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16 root 25 equal to 5. So what is that? Root over 3 plus 4i equal to plus or minus root over this value is 5 plus a 3 by 2 plus I into root over 5 minus 3 by 2. Then square root of 3 plus 4i equal to plus or minus of root 8 by 2 plus I into root 2 by 2. 2 2 cancel, 2 4 cancel. Root over 3 plus 4i equal to plus or minus 2 plus I. This is the square root of root over 3 plus 4i. Here fourth problem minus 4 plus I into 8 root 3. So minus 4 7 plus I into 8 root 3 is equal to a plus ib. You have to write a plus ib. Where a is equal to what? Minus 47. B is equal to what? 8 to root 3 which is greater than 0. Then what is root over a plus ib is equal to plus or minus of root over root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into root over root a square plus b square minus a by 2 when b greater than 0. When b greater than 0. B greater than 0. So you have to find first this one. Root over a square plus b square equal to root over minus 47 whole square plus b square 8 root 3 whole square. What is 47 square? 47 into 47. 7 7 ja 49 4. 7 4 ja 7 4 ja 28. 28 plus 4 32. 4 7 ja 4 7 ja 28. 2 4 4 ja 16. 16 plus 2 18. So 9 10 1 8 plus 4 12 1 2 2 0 9. Then what is the value of 8 root 3 whole square? 8 root 3 whole square is 64 into 3. So 3 4 ja 12 1 3 6 ja 18 plus 1 90 192 192 2209. So 9 plus 2 11 1 10 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 2401. So root over a square plus b square is equal to root over 2401. So what is the square root of 2401? 2401. So 2 digit bar. So this is 4 4 ja 16. So 4 4 ja 16. 14 minus this is 8. 801 is there. 4 4 this is 8. 801 801 is there. So 4 plus 4 this one. So 0 1 1. What is that? 1 1 is 1. 81. So 9 9 is 81 8. 9 9 8 is 72. 72 plus 8. What is 80? So this is 0. 49. So root over 2401 is equal to 49. Okay. Then what is root over? This is minus 47 plus I into 8 root 3 is equal to plus or minus root over 49 plus A. What is A is equal to minus 47 by 2 plus I into root over 49 minus of minus 47 by 2. So root over minus 47 plus I 8 root 3 is equal to plus or minus 49 minus 47. What is 2? Root over 2 by 2 plus I into root over 49 plus 47. 9 plus 7 16. 1 4 plus 4 8 plus 8 plus 1 96 by 2. 96 by 2. So 2 cancel. 2 48 248 2 4 ja 1 248 root over minus 47 plus I 8 root 3 is equal to plus or minus root 1 plus I into root 48. Root 48 can be written as 16 into 3 is equal to plus or minus 1 plus I into root over 16 into 3. So root 16 value what? 4 plus or minus 1 plus I into 4 root 3. So root over minus 47 plus I 8 root 3 is equal to 1 plus I 4 root 3. 1 plus I 4 root 3. Multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i. Multiplicative inverse of here complex numbers exercise 1b. Fifth problem. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following complex numbers. So first one, root 5 plus 3i is there. Here a plus ib multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is a minus ib by a square plus b square. So we have to write as a root 5 plus 3i. A you compare with a plus ib, then a is equal to root 5, b is equal to 3. So then multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i is equal to what? That is root 5 minus 3i by a square plus b square. Root 5 whole square plus b square 3 square. This is equal to root 5 minus 3i by square root cancel 5 plus 9 equal to root 5 minus 3i by this is 14. So 1 by 14 of root 5 minus 3i is multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i. Next problem. Second problem, minus I. You compare with a plus ib is equal to minus I, then a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1. Then multiplicative inverse is equal to what? 1 by, so that is plus I by root over 0 square plus minus 1 whole square. I by 1 equal to I. Third one, I power 35 equal to I square. I power 34 into I power 34. I square whole power 17 into iota square is equal to what? Minus 1. So minus 1 whole power 17 into minus 1 power odd number is minus 1 minus I. So minus I multiplicative inverse is plus I. That's all.